Want to join a WhatsApp group with just a link? Here's how to do it. First, get the invite link to the WhatsApp group you want to join. You may receive it via text, email, or another app. Once you have the link, simply tap on it. Your WhatsApp will open automatically showing the group invite. Tap join group and you will be added to the group right away. If the link is expired or invalid, the group admin will need to send you a fresh invite link. Have you ever joined a WhatsApp group through a link? Let me know your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.